Hello, I'm Ted Jones. Welcome aboard this brand new 21 Dauntless Boston Whaler. What an awesome boat. You can see here at the helm, it's set up with Ray Marine GPS fish finder. Has stereo system, a VHF radio, gauges and switches are easy to access. As we go forward in the boat, has a big area in the front, does have a trolling motor panel in case you wanted to add one. The front is set up where you could add the cushion package, although it doesn't have it in this particular boat. It does have a real comfortable area on the front of the console with storage for seating, along with rod holders. As we look inside the console, you can see there's plenty of room, and it has a porta potty. For a 21-foot boat, that's a lot of room in there. Looking back, you can see it has a nice folding back seat with a 200 Mercury 4-stroke. Absolute awesome boat. Boston Whaler 21 Dauntless. My name is Ted Jones. I'm with MarineMax in Stuart. Please feel free to contact me anytime, and I'll be happy to get you out on this boat and give you more details. 772-263-6743. Thank you for your time.